It's been a busy week here at Mongo's Garage. The garage is a mess, but the truck looks a whole lot different. Oop. So we got pretty much everything off the stands. The hood's still on the stand. The seat and the carpet are out of it. I believe the dry shafts are still up there. Most of the interior is still up there, but it's definitely coming along. So I'll show you guys what we did to it this week. It's definitely coming along. Hopefully this week it'll be done. We'll get her back out on the streets and Larry will be hitting the road again.
And I am over here fixing runs that I hung in this bed after I cleared it the second time. So I'll hit this all again with 1,000 on the DA one more time, and we'll see where that gets us. I like it. I think it looks good. It is definitely the best paint job I've ever done. That's for sure. The bed's pretty much done on this side.
Bam! I bet you guys didn't expect that. See a set of modern wheels on this old bullnose Ford. These are a 20 by 12. They're Cali Summit. We bought them off of another YouTuber who had them on a brick nose Bronco.
What's going on, guys? Today's a beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. So in the garage here, we got some brand new Versatire tires and some Cali off-road wheels. They are 36 1350 20s, and I got some 20 by 12 Calis for it. Oh my gosh. These things are freaking flawless.
Super cool guy. Got all the mirrors on it. Windows are in it. Doors are on it. Like I said, there's no interior in it. That door panel is on, but as you can see, that needs sprayed again. So we're going to take the door panel back off and spray it. But all the trim is on it. Cowl covers on it, the windshield trim's on it, and bam, the Vyers is on it now too. hopefully tomorrow I will make this little 302 bark again. I'll put the inner fenders in it. Maybe I'll throw the interior back in it too. But here is the pinstripe we went with. Bought a couple other pinstripes, but it didn't look right with them. This was one of them right here. It's just that red was too vibrant and too thick. It's just a nice little subtle red's what hits it. So looking at it here, I think I'm gonna have to drop the rear end down about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, just to get it to sit right. But I still gotta put the rear bumper on. There still needs to go, a rear tank still needs to go in it. And the rear spring hangers still haven't flipped the other way. So we'll see. I'll get the forklift on the back and compress the suspension and tighten everything down. And we still gotta put the rear window in it. But it's coming along really well. So come back next week and see what we get done on it.